Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Safari and immediately showing the Bookmarks sidebar. This puts everything in front of you. Once visible, scan for duplicates and obvious clutter, and drag questionable items into a new folder called Review so you can focus. You do this now to avoid toggling back and forth. Make sure to note which folders contain read later links versus reference pages, because grouping by purpose will make the next steps much faster and clearer. Now you open the Review folder and sort items into purpose-driven groups like Work, Personal, and Read Later. This clarifies what belongs where. Then you rename vague titles so they're searchable, and merge duplicates by keeping the best URL and deleting extras. As you categorize, drag bookmarks into their permanent folders and create subfolders for projects or topics. Doing these edits now reduces future search time. Finish by pruning the toolbar and favorites to the handful you use daily so Safari stays fast and focused. Once done, back up your bookmarks by exporting an HTML file or ensuring iCloud Bookmark Sync is enabled. That protects you if something goes wrong. If a link fails later, first verify the URL, then clear Safari's cache and retry. And if necessary, restore the exported HTML backup. This final sweep preserves your work and prevents accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.